Hey, guys. Sorry, I haven't posted in 2 weeks, but today I'm playing Blizzard minigames. First, start off with Crush It. Literally be crushed by a speeding wall. I don't know how this is a Blizzard game. There's nothing special. So now what? What's this? You win. Touch this to go back to lobby? Exactly what you do. How do you play Techno Cubes? I guess live long as possible. What is now? It's the floor is lava. There's nothing pretty fun here though. I mean, if it has updates, then it should. Thanks for watching, and ask me if you want me to play your game. How do you get crates in Super Crate Battle? Anyways, the shoutout goes to sharkybros for the game, and Reader1313.